A cow gives about 30 liters a day. 15 liters in the morning, 15 liters in the evening.
Very well known for its cheese and for its beer, of course.
Heineken.
And you will have vegetarian cheese also on that side. Also, you see, tremendous. All these are flags of all the countries, all the nationalities. And you probably, I think I just saw India, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe here somewhere. Just about here. Looks like India, but can be different.
Oh, that
also.
could be.
Maybe this one, I think.
Yeah. It's a good big side. My God.
So international criminal proceedings was taken care here. This is where the river used to flow, and at the end, if you can see, that is where the old dam used to be. But that, of course, is gone, finished now. But you will be walking on the street because that is just about the place probably where we're going to take our boat, which is at 3 o'clock. So we have time for that.
Ship बहुत अच्छा है.
About 30 liters a day. 15 liters in the morning, 15 liters in the evening. Yes, all vegetarian, only not this.
Always keep 1 finger space between your heel and your clog because it's not a
Video. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಇವ್ರ ಮನೆಗಳು ಪಾಪ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಒಂದು
Meant only for
Pumping
diverting
water. Pumping water.
How you pump water?
Simple.